Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install and update n8n locally. So first you just need to go to n8n.io and you'll find this interface for default, and if you want to download this or install or update the n8n, then you just need to install Node.js on your device. So you can just go to nodejs.org and you will find this page, or you can search for Node.js and you will find Node.js, and it's totally free. So you can download Node.js for free on your device. You just need to click on this download node.js, and here you can see it is starting uploading. This downloading, here you can see it has just downloaded. Now simply click on it. There's difficulty here, so here you can see it has just simply downloaded. Now you just need to click a single click on this file to set up Node.js on your device. Now click on next, and here you just need to click on this box that you accept their license agreement. Now click on next and select the file path that you want to select to download or adjust it. So like I'm going to select it, and yes, okay, and click on next, and you can just set up some Node.js here, runtime something. So I prefer to make it default, keep it default, and simply click on this checkbox here and simply click on next and install Node.js on your computer. Now here you can see it is installing, and here you can see it has just installed. So simply click on yes, and here you can see it is copying the files for Node.js on your computer. Now simply click on finish, and here it is. So it has just open up the command prompt. So you just need to click any key to here, yes, PowerShell. Make sure that you enter the PowerShell here, yes. Now it is activating Node.js, so you have to wait until it load up. So when it's checking, you can just open your Windows icon here. Now search for command prompt. Here it is. Now you can just run it as an administrator. Now you guess, and here you can type like npm install n8n space select the bar here and the G, and you can simply press enter, and here it is installing here, not installing right now. So let's check up that if it's completely checking up or not. Here you can see it is still downloading, that's why it's not running. So you have to wait until it installed properly or completely. You have to wait until the Node.js set up on your system. So here you can see it's installing Visual Studio and build-up tools here. So you have to wait until the installation. As you can see, it has just installed, and it is the program is running. Here it is loading here, so you have to wait until it load up. So as soon the Node.js is installed, it took a little time. So as soon as it installed on my device, it started running the n8n. So you have to wait until it properly run the n8n on your device. So here you can see, wait a little longer. Now you can simply type CLS and click enter, so it will clear all the data from here. And here you can simply type for n8n, not this actually, n8n, and simply press enter here. And here you can see no encrypted. Now again click enter, like from here, click enter. Here, yes, here you can see it is running. Now again here you can find that the error is not accessible, where this is your link where you can access your n8n. So make sure you copy that link, you note that link, and now you can press O to open in browser. Now I'm just clicking O, So here you can see it has just opened the browser, where we can just log into n8n by entering our email address, our first name, our last name, and password. So it will install the n8n on our device system. So make sure that you click on this checkbox and simply click on next, and you can access n8n. So that's pretty simple. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.